Good morning, all of you. So today we are going to start the second unit, that is the working with MS Excel. It is a advanced part of MS Excel in which we will deal with the different types of the function in MS Excel. So you can see already I have covered the interface of MS Excel in my last video. Actually that was a part of second unit, but in this class we will cover the different types of the functions. So let's see what I will cover in the future classes. So first one is यहाँ पर types of functions हैं in MS Excel में. So first point, interface of MS Excel, which is I have already covered in my last video, you can watch it. Then the second point is text function, then financial function, and after that date and time functions, then logical function, then Excel chart, and I will also show you how to create MS Excel chart by taking an examples. And the last point is macros. So these are the points that I will cover in the second unit. If I cover all these points, this unit will be end. So watch these all points one by one that I am going to upload on the YouTube channel. So thank you for watching the video.